All right, so we are moving on to pages 2 and 3. And what we're going to do on this page is we are going to look at the Super Kids, and most of them have something that starts with the letter B to share. So I'm going to name the Super Kid, and you are going to circle what they have once you hear it and find them. And you guys are really good at remembering what they look like. So this is going to be fun. It's going to be like a little scavenger hunt. On the first person we're going to look at is we're going to look for Sal. And Sal is down in the corner and he has a baseball and a bat. So he has two things that start with the B sound. So you're going to circle Sal and the baseball and the bat. All right, let's move down to the next person and I see Oswald. And Oswald looks like he has a baby brother. So please circle Oswald and his baby brother. Next, I see Lily. And sweet Lily has bubbles. Bubbles, bubbles, blowing the bubbles. I love to blow bubbles. So go ahead and you see Lily blowing bubbles. It's a lot of sounds. Next, go on to Frit. And Frit is walking down the street and has what in his hand? Do you see Frit? He has a boat in his hand. Boat. All right. Go ahead and circle boat and Fritz. Next, I see Doc. And Doc is right by the fire hydrant. And Doc looks like she is walking up with a book in her hand. Go ahead and circle Doc and the book. Next, I see Icky, Tack, and Tick. And they are all tangled up in some balloons. They have balloons. Those are some pretty fun balloons. All right, go on to Golly. Oh, Golly, I love Golly. Golly has something in his mouth. What is it? That's right, one of my favorite fruits. Golly has some bananas in his fruit. I wonder if he's supposed to have those bananas. All right, and Edabetta has a bird on her shoulder. She has a little bird on her shoulder. So go ahead and circle Edabetta. Cass is going through the town. She is on her bike. Cass is on her bike. And now this is one I never noticed before, and it's really funny. Do you see Talk, who is right next to Cass? And Talk has something around her chin. It's a pretend one. She has a beard by her chin, and she's actually standing right next to a barber shop. Do you see the barber in the window who has a beard also? I see the letter B for barber. And we have Alf. Where is Alf? Alf has a backpack on. Alf has a backpack. And finally, Hot Rod. I'm looking for Hot Rod. Hot Rod has a button. Remember, Hot Rod has buttons on his shirt. I forgot about that one too. And they are by Bell's Bakery, which we learned about yesterday. And bakeries sell bread and cakes. And so go ahead, circle those. And if you see anything else in this story, which I see a few things that start with the B sound, you may circle them. I'm going to name a few of them, and I'm going to count to 10 real quick in my head while you find some, and then I'll tell you what I see. You are so smart. You are so smart. All right. One other thing I found that starts with the B sound is there looks like there is a boot store back behind Edabetta and her bird. So I see a boot. I also see where they are picking up the trash. I see a bone on the ground. Do you see the bone on the ground? And up by the Bell's Bakery sign, there are some birds up there. And if you see any more, you are welcome to circle them. All right, see you soon.